Hello, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we are going to learn these are and those are. Okay, last time what we learned this is and that is. Okay, this is कभी use करते हैं when the things are close to you and that is कभी use करते हैं when the things are far away from you. Okay, and I told you last time when we are talking about this is and that time we are referring to only one object है ना जब हम this is that is बोलते हैं तभी हम एक ही चीज के बारे में बात करते हैं एक से ज्यादा चीजों के बारे में this is that is नहीं बोल सकते so जब एक से ज्यादा चीज होगी if there are more than one things about which we are talking then what we will use these आर ईज का क्या बन जाएगा आर बन जाएगा ARER ओके एंड दिस THI दिस के बदले में THESE ओके अंडरस्टूड है ना जब कोई चीज आपके पास में होगी और वो चीज एक से ज्यादा होगी तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे these 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 ओके अंडरस्टूड लुक एट द स्पेलिंग ओवर हियर हाँ तो एक चीज होगी तो हमने इज यूज किया अब मोर देन वन चीज होगी तो हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे ARER ओके सो अगेन लुक एट द स्पेलिंग THESE these say with me THESE these दिस के बदले में these इस के बदले में आर क्यों बिकॉज देर आर मोर देन वन ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक से ज्यादा चीजों के बारे में हम बात करेंगे इसके लिए दिस का दीज हो गया एंड इस का आर हो गया समझ में आ गया ओके एंड व्हाट अबाउट द थिंग्स विच आर फार ऑफ जो चीजें दूर हैं उनके बारे में क्या तो दैट का बनेगा दोज लुक हियर THOSE दोज ओके so instead of that we will say those say it with me THOSE those say it once more THOSE those okay and again that is के बदले में those इसका क्या बन जाएगा are is will get converted into are and why is getting converted to are what did I say yes because there are more than one objects जो चीजों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो एक चीज नहीं है वो एक से ज्यादा चीजें हैं इसीलिए इज का आर बन गया है दिस का दीज बन गया है और दैट का दोज सो दिस दैट के बदले में दीज दोज ओके अंडरस्टूड ओके चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट वी लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट मोर क्लियरली okay the first one what can you see on the screen you can see dolls one or two dolls yes more than one dolls and two dolls are there so there is no hand pointing out so ये आपके पास में है okay it is close to you the dolls are close to you so when the things are close what we will use these 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 and ARER so these are dolls okay understood chalo let's look at the next one now look here the finger is pointing to what chalks okay so these are far off वो दूर है chalks दूर है so what we will use those are so what is the spelling of those 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 ARER those are chalks okay understood जो चीजें दूर हैं more than one है so we are using those and along with those we are using are and जो चीजें पास में हैं एक से ज्यादा हैं there we are using these and along with these we are using are ARER again the finger is pointing towards cats so these are or those are yes those are cats okay understood चलो repeat with me once more बोलना है सबको I am watching from that video whether all of you are looking or not talking or not. Okay, chalo, repeat after me. Huh? These are dolls. Very good. Those are chalks. Those are cats. Very nice. Chalo, let's take a look at the next slide. The next sentence, what can you see? Yes, those are beds. But there is no finger pointing, so they are very close to you, is it not? आपके पास में है ना, fingers नहीं दिखा रहा है. So, what will you write? These are beds or those are beds? Yes, you will write these are beds. Look at the spelling again. These, these. Okay. The next picture, the finger is pointing towards, what are these? Roses. So since the finger is pointing, they are far off. वो दूर है आपसे. So these are roses or those are roses? Yes, those are roses. Look at the spelling Those, those, Arer. Those are roses. Okay. Now what is the picture showing? Clouds. No finger pointing. So they are close to you. तो क्या use करेंगे? These are कि those are? Yes, these are. So look at the spelling again. These, Arer. These are clouds. Okay. Repeat with me once more. Everybody should repeat. Okay. Start. These are beds. Those are roses. These are clouds. The next one for you. What is this? Bottles. And can you see the finger? Yes. So what will we say? These are bottles or those are bottles? Very good. Those are bottles. Okay. Look at the spelling. Those, Arer. Next one again the finger is pointing. And what are these? Oh, these are ants. So what will I say? These ki those? Yes, those are ants. Those, Arer. Those are ants. And what are these? You love these, no? What are these? Yes, stars. So, no finger. So, what will you write? These or those? Yes, these. These. Arer. Stars. These are stars. So, repeat again with me once more. Those are bottles. Those are ants. These are stars. Very good. Okay, now look here. What are these? Yes, houses. No finger is pointing. So what will you write? These are or those are? Think, think. Yes, you're right. These are. These, Arer. These are houses. Now a finger is pointing to what? These are clocks. So what will you use? These or those? Yes, those. Those. Arer. Clocks. Those are clocks. Very good. The next one. No finger. So these are pots or those are pots? Yes, these are pots. These, Arer. These are pots. So repeat once more. These are houses. Those are clocks. These are pots. Okay. So only 12 sentences we did today. These are, those are. Okay. So again, like yesterday, not yesterday, the last time you wrote this and that, same way you have to copy this 12 sentences in your English notebook. Last time जैसे this and that के लिए आपने सेंटेंसेस कॉपी किए थे इंग्लिश नोटबुक में वैसे ही अभी भी करने हैं। आपको पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करना अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड ड्रॉ। अगर आपको नहीं अच्छा लगता है, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू ड्रॉ, नो प्रॉब्लम, जस्ट राइट डाउन द sentences. Understanding the concept is important. आपको ये समझ में नहीं आया तो आप ये फिर से सुनिए, ओके, एंड अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स। ये समझ लीजिए दिस दैट कब यूज करते हैं एंड दिस दोस कब यूज करते हैं। ओके, आई एम श्योर यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड this that we are talking about this that only when there is a single object and these those is used when there are more than one objects. हाँ, एक से ज्यादा चीजों के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं तब हम these and those यूज करते हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टूड। आपके पास वाली चीजों को these बोलते हैं, दूर वाली चीजों को those बोलते हैं। ओके, अगर एक ही चीज होगी तो दिस बोलेंगे पास वाली चीज को और दूर वाली चीज को दैट बोलेंगे। ओके, अगर एक चीज होगी तो दिस के आगे इज लगेगा, अगर मोर देन वन चीजें होंगी तो इज के बदले में आर लगेगा। ओके, कीप दिस थिंग्स इन माइंड एंड इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल टू यू। आगे आप जब इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे आपके लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना। Okay, so you have to remember this. It is really very important. Okay, and see, you are learning it right now in first standard. है ना, आप अभी से इसको याद रखोगे तो आप और आगे वाली क्लास में जाओगे तो आपको सब बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, है ना, है ना। So remember all these things. Okay, चलो, so that's all I think for today and you can copy all the sentences in your English notebook. So see you again next time. Goodbye.